I made this nourishing foot balm for those who struggle with dry, cracked heels. I used approximately 33% all natural beeswax, which is said to act as a natural moisturizer, creating a protective barrier against water loss and pollutants. It may also soothe inflammation. Then added approximately 59% shea butter, which is said to deeply moisturize rough, dry skin, and it's known to heal cracked heels by forming a protective barrier as well as reducing inflammation. And with its anti inflammatory properties, it is said to promote skin cell repair with the fatty acids, aiding in preventing dryness, keeping feet smooth and healthy. Next, I added approximately 7% of jojoba oil, which is said to moisturize dry, cracked feet and may aid in softening calluses and soothe irritation, all due to the wax like consistency. It is also said to have antifungal and antibacterial properties, as well as anti inflammatory agents, which is known to help reduce pain, leaving soft skin protected and feeling healed without that greasy residue. Then I added approximately 7% of vitamin E oil, which is said to deeply moisturize dry, cracked feet, also strengthening and soothing irritation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It is also said to have antioxidants, which is known to protect against damage. And finally, I added approximately 0.25% of an essential oil. In this batch, I used tea tree oil because it's said to fight fungal bacteria such as athlete's foot and nail fungus and inflammation. It's said to soothe tired skin and improve circulation while it deodorizes. Please keep in mind, I am not a doctor, so I am not making medical claims. These are just the reasons I selected the ingredients I selected. I gave the ingredients in percentages so that you can easily scale it up and down to your liking. If you're new to making skincare at home and would like help with scaling recipes, please let me know.